Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free graphics for your site. If you haven't created a website before, you might notice some professional websites have high-quality graphics with stunning images, logos, fonts, or icons. It's not appealing to viewers if your website is text-based only. High-quality photos attract more viewers, which makes them stay and browse your website. Let me show you a few websites where you can get free graphics that you can use for your site free of charge. The first website I'm going to show you is pngall.com. If you want graphics that you can use to add to your current images or background, this is a great site where you can search for images. You can simply add these images on top of another image, and you'll have a great customized image for your site. Let's choose one image from this category. As you can see, the license info is categorized as Creative Commons, which means that you can use this for free. Click Download. Now we have a PNG photo that we can use later. The second website I'm going to show you is freeicons.io. You'll see thumbnails of icons that you can download for free. You can even search for a keyword and it will give you these results. Let's choose one. As you can see, there are different sizes of icons that you can choose to download. Choose the size that suits your needs. As you click each size, it will show you a preview of its size. Let's download a PNG file. Now here's our downloaded PNG file. The third site I'm going to show you is librastock.com. This is like a search engine for free photos from top stock images sites, helping you to find the perfect image much faster. Let's search for a keyword. We have 700 plus free photos for the keyword we searched for. This section is sponsored by Shutterstock. Don't choose these since it has the Shutterstock watermark. As you can see, each image indicates the source website where you can download each of them. Let's choose an image. It will direct you to the website where a chosen image is from. In this case, it's from stocksnap.io. Click Free Download. The fourth site I'm going to show you is freerangestock.com. Below, you can browse the newest photos daily, popular photos, browse per category, or you can share your photos under Contribute Images. Let's choose an image under Popular Photos. As you can see in this section, you need to log in to download a photo. If you don't have an account yet, you need to register, but it's free. The fifth site I'm going to show you is Unsplash.com. Unsplash offers tons of free high-resolution photos that you can download, and you can use the search bar to look for photos using keywords. In this section, you can browse per category. If you click on Collections, you will be able to see groups of featured collections they have. Browse from these and choose a collection. Select an image. As you can see, you don't need to have an account here to download a photo for free. You can credit the owner, but it's not required. The sixth site I'm going to show you is freedesignfile.com. This site offers free vector, free photo, Photoshop, free icons, free PSD, and fonts. Let's check out the free photos and choose a category. Pick an image. You can download this directly in your drive without having an account on this site. Here's our downloaded file, which is in a zip file. Next, let's browse free icons. For our second download, the button says Member Download, so we need to register an account on this site to download this icon. Let's browse their fonts and choose a font design. This one can be downloaded for free. As you may notice, all your downloads from this site will be in a zip file. Some of their designs require you to have an account on their site to download them. The seventh site I'm going to show you is freeimages.com. You can browse from free photos, new and popular images, editor's picks, lightboxes, photographers, and camera. This section is the related images from iStock, which you can download for free. So browse from the section below. Select an image, click Download, then choose from these dimensions. You can also browse their collection. As you can see, it's easy to switch to a different category from this left menu. Lastly, I'm going to show you canva.com. This is an amazing site where you can create your design depending on where you're going to use it. As you can see, there are custom dimensions ready for you to pick if it's for your social media, and you can browse this to check all the custom dimensions. Let's choose a blog banner. In this section, you can choose the ready-made templates available here. Watch out for images with watermarks like this one, as you can only use this if you pay for it. Choose another design and you can customize this. You can even use the downloaded files that we got from the other sites that I showed you and upload them here. Click Uploads. Here's the PNG file we have downloaded, and we can add it here since it doesn't have a colored background. You can resize it and place it anywhere in this image and customize your text. When you're done, click this drop-down button and choose a file type. It's recommended to download the highest quality as PNG. Now click Download. Here's the image we created using Canva's ready-made designs. I'm going to show you another feature of Canva that we can find useful. Click the More menu. As you can see, these apps are integrated into Canva. Pexels and Pixabay are websites that also offer high-resolution images for free. If you click Pexels, you don't need to go to their website to download and upload your images here. Just click the app and type in a keyword. When you click an image, it's automatically placed in your design, and you can customize it to your own liking. Having free graphics such as icons, fonts, logos, or images included in your website can add appeal to your site. It can attract more customers or visitors to browse and stay on your website. You don't have to create your graphics from scratch, especially if you're not a graphics artist. There are lots of websites nowadays that offer free graphics download, and you can use that for your site. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.